Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amalia with stamp book F111 19 and 70. I am a civil engineering student at the Delacue University. I will explain a little about the task of modular building. Okay. The first is, what is a modular building? Things you should know about modular building. Building a modular building means that you are familiar with the concept of building. Still don't understand it? Check it out the full explanation below. Modular buildings are modern buildings whose materials are designed and assembled in such a way by the industry. In the world, there are many examples of modular building that we can find, including modular homes, modular hospital, modular office, and other buildings. Modular buildings are not to be confused with conventional buildings made from scratch on construction site. All modular building materials, including walls or roofs, are pre-made by the factory. The manufacturing process is also very modern, using sophisticated machine to produce precise modules. The complete module will then be tested for feasibility. After passing and being declared fit for use, the prefabricated building modules are brought to the construction site for installation. This is the reason why the manufacture of modular building is very instant and easy. Okay, the second is characteristic of modular building. So as not to misunderstand the construction of modular building, check out the characteristic of the buildings below. The first is structure. Are you familiar with sandwich panels? This panel is used in the manufacture or partitions or walls of buildings. You can find the use of sandwich panel is in prefab house. In addition to using iron plate panels, contractor companies also use premium quality steel frames. If the structure of the building is good like this, automatically instant house buildings are also durable and sturdy, will not easily collapse, including during an earthquake. The second is foundation. In contrast to conventional house, whose foundation must be worked on extravagantly, the foundation or prefabricated house are very shallow. Some houses only need to cast concrete as deep as 7 centimeters. This condition is due to the prefab building structure which is very light and simple, so it does not require a deep foundation. The third is quality or quantity of work. In contrast to manual house construction, the quality is influenced by the skills of the workforce. So the quality of prefab house tends to be flat or equal. Why? Because this is due to the manufacture of construction materials that takes place in manufacturing. It is the machine that makes the structure of the building. As a result, each element of development has the same shape and size. No one is bigger or smaller. The fourth is budget. Want to make your dream modular home but worried that the budget is not enough? Eliminates those worries. In fact, the construction of prefab house is 25% more efficient than manual house. And 5 is care. Prefab house construction materials come from manufacturers whose manufacturing process are supervised by the best expert in their fields. As long as you take care of your prefab house properly and regularly, the house can last a long time. And the last is processing time. The initial stage of building a prefab house is the foundation. Once the foundation is laid, you can immediately erect construction panels on top of the construction site. Did you know that the construction of a Type 90 house only takes 3 days? Okay, Next is advantage and disadvantage modular building. Advantage of modular building system is faster. Most work is done in a factory under condition of constant lighting, humidity, and temperature. Second is minimum work. Only minor work is required in the foundation. This is generally done with solid concrete slabs or continuous beams so that the modules support in a completely uniform manner. The third is most competitive prices. The company integrated project and works, which allow optimization of deadlines, completion, and standardization of construction solution. The fourth is custom interiors. Every home is customizable and exclusive in terms of finishing materials, flooring, paint, tiles, and edge. And disadvantage of modular building system is the first, slightly flexible. Our modular house are not very flexible in terms of shape. They flee generally from changing from that may recur certain sites because of their orientation or trees. The second is not all terrain they are suitable. It is important to study the plot in an urban manner. See what condition are set and with this place. Analyze what a modular house looks like in that place with that environment and with the circumstances. The third is transporting. The house is transported from the factory to the destination by heavy-duty cranes. The cranes shall be able to reach the ground without any problems. And the last is precising adjustment. The predefined construction process and standardization of model allow modular house price to be competitive. If we want to make too many changes, it may not be profitable. And the last example of modular building in Indonesia. Modular building in the form of a cube arrangement are now becoming a trend in big cities, but of public place and for private house building. No doubt, if this modular building structure model brings new business opportunities because not many construction companies have played in this model business. Some example of modular building that already exist in Indonesia, which are quite well known, are as follows: is Galang Covid Emergency Hospital, BP Tangguh LNG in Papua, and construction of the Jakarta Cikampek elevated toll, where are the girders have been made in advance at the fabrication yard, and so forth. Okay, that was the result of my short presentation about modular building. More and less, I apologize. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.